Spiders. Spiders everywhere. I'm not taking a liking to this.
Okay, I can't find this spider, so I wonder where he went. Turn around, you say? Uh-oh. I'm out of here. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! Well, that was an adventure. Yes, being chased by spiders. So, I'm here to discuss my opinions and thoughts on Aragog's Lair. And, well, I kind of like it, and there's some things I dislike about it, so we'll get into that. This is just sort of an overview of the build here with Aragog and Harry and Ron and some spiders. It's pretty cool, you know. I like the candlesticks that they come out with in these new Harry Potter sets, as well as the lantern Ron got. The minifigures are cool, of course, and the new wands. Now, what you see right in front there is that red mushroom. That's something that ekes me, as well as that flick fire. I don't care for either one of these. That thing right there, I just do not like it. I don't like flick fires at all. They're just more of annoying than the other thing. Oops, the Harry just tipped over, so we'll fix him back up. There goes Ron. Well, we'll have to fix him too, because we can't have them falling over. I don't know why they just... Yeah, well, we'll just fix them up there, of course. I like the spider hanging from the top there, at the top of the branch. I really like that. That's cool how they use like the lollipop stick for that. That flick fire mushroom topped web, the printed web on that trans clear radar dish is really, really excellent. And I don't know why they didn't print the mushroom print on the top of the red radar dish for the mushroom, because they did make a part that was a mushroom top. So why didn't they use that? I don't know what Lego was thinking there. You know, I guess maybe to cut costs. I guess that's the only thing I can think of. If anyone knows, let me know down below. I really like Aragog. He's a friendly looking spider. He's not scary at all. He is definitely upgraded from one of the original ones in the 2010 Aragog, where they used like katanas for the legs and like a printed 2x1 tile for his eyes, which were green. And that was pretty cool. I like the fact that he's got some eyes on the side too, which, you know, spiders do, so it's kind of neat. It was a fun build. This was a fun build, and Harry and Ron here were fun to build. Once again, they are of the younger age, so they got of the short legs for this set, and you know, that's tolerable type of thing. But I still dislike the fact that they're not using the posable or articulated mini legs on this like they used in the blind bags for this series. So I don't know what's going on. They must have like a load of them that they want to get rid of, so they put them in their sets. But they should have used the articulated ones and keep everything consistent right across this whole Harry Potter series. Just my 2 cents on that. Let me know what you think down below. I like the printing on the back of these guys too. It's really neat. So yeah, you could turn around their torsos and use them for prints on the back if you wanted it to be on their front, I guess you could say. So yeah, it works really well. So you know, that's just the way it is for this particular set. So I guess the things I like about this set are Aragog's legs, Aragog in general being a friendly spider, the spider hanging down from the tree, the way the tree is built, and the candlestick. The new spiders, the mini spiders, are pretty excellent in themselves. What I dislike about this set is that mushroom is not finished off. It's pretty sad. And the flick fire web thing, it's just, the flick flyers are just annoyance and a nuisance, I think. Especially in the Star Wars sets, they're even worse than that. That one's not so noticeable, so it's not so bad. But that's just my opinions on it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, please. And I will talk to you guys again shortly in another video. Remember, if you can dream it, you can build it.